filming me.
Yeah.
Please don't post this.
Oh, it's too good not to.
I'm not ashamed.
Oh,
I am
yeah.
living up for our
So this is what the Wii is all about, huh?
You're so mean.
You're not skipping a beat, are you?
Nope. You can laugh, but...
Okay, I will. I can't help it. You look funny. And this is also another mean mom moment, huh?
Yep.
You're not even gonna... You're just sick of my shit, aren't you?
Yep.
Okay, I'll quit.
Okay.
You know I'm lying.